Decks are a wonderful addition to a home, but winters are rough on a deck. Keeping it in good shape year to year assures safety and beauty for years to come while preventing larger, more costly repairs later. In this video, I'm going to show you a deck restoration. Please subscribe to my channel. Visually you can note discoloration on this deck, drying wood, rotting and cracks. Remember you have to check all decking boards and stair pieces. You can use a screwdriver to poke at wood, looking for soft or rotted areas that may need to be replaced. Check for splintering, loose joints or connectors around the stairs. Remove all nails or screws from the damaged decking board using a pry bar or drill. If the fasteners won't come out, chop the board into pieces with a chisel or saw, pry up the slivers and replace the board. Inspect the joists underneath for signs of rotted wood. Use a hammer and chisel to remove any rotted portions of joists. Begin repairs and maintenance. Gather tools and materials for the job: goggles, knee pads, gloves, carpentry tools, sandpaper, decking nails or screws, deck stain or paint. Replace damaged or rotted wood. This takes the most carpentry skills, requiring precise cuttings, measuring and fitting. Replace stair treads and repair any issues with the stringers. Make sure all new boards are properly secured with screws and free of buckling or warping wood. Now all the new boards are installed and are ready to stain. The final step in your spring deck maintenance is staining and sealing your wood surfaces. Pressure-treated wood is still vulnerable to sun and water damage, so staining and sealing will help protect wood. Apply stain to all surfaces with a brush or roller. Let it dry for at least 20 to 30 minutes and apply a second coat. Then let it dry for 48 hours. You have a lot of stain options for your deck, and a stain is a better option than paint for decks. Stains are designed for wood decks and they hold up better than paint, which has a tendency to flake and peel with wear. You have many colors to choose from, and you have 3 different types of stains to pick from: transparent, semi-transparent, and solid. Let's begin. Alright, the deck is already stained and finished. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and leave your comments below.